So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And today we are demonstrating light on OCR2 1B. So, it's a 1 billion OCR model, which is one of the best, highest performance OCR models so far. If you look at the trade off between speed and quality, it is just killing it everywhere. As you can see, light OCR2 1B and light OCR2 1B 1025. It's the best OCR, taking the performance versus model trade-off and looks crazingly good. So if you look into the certain examples here, this is image one. From the diagram also it is able to pick out all the text. Apart from that, if you go to other examples also, here are the equations, and you can see that it is able to extract all the symbols very accurately, as you can see here. Multiple other examples that the team has shared, lights on OCR, this basic PDF. There's a research paper, it is able to extract the names, everything quite correctly from here too. So these are the easy examples I would say. Let's pick a tough one. Now this is the notebook written by some human being. On this also it is able to extract the equation. Just see the quality of the output. This is amazingly good. Perfect here I would say for mathematics. See this one also highlights are there and you can magnify this and then check out, and in that case also the quality is just bang on with just 1 billion parameters. This is a very complicated report and here also the model is able to break even. Now let's jump on to the details of the model. The model is open source on Hugging Face, so if you search for light OCR, click here and you should be able to see light on OCR2 1B. The model weights are open source. You can use it directly from here. The codes are also given. Now let's jump on to understand the details of the model. Light on OCR2 1B, a lightweight high performance OCR model for everyone. Parameters 1B, faster 3.3 cross faster and 83.2 accurate. It is a 1 million parameter array, end-to-end architecture, lightweight design for everyone. One of the key highlights, state-of-the-art OCR. It is able to beat out large models like Chandra 9B also, faster inferencing up to 3 cross faster than Chandra OCR and 5 cross faster than other pipelines too. Bounding boxes, it identifies the location of figures or images within a page, and flexible model family. What does it matter? No more complex pipelines. Single model, reduced errors, and simpler workflow is there. Challenging scenarios it is able to cover maths and table, old PDFs also, multi-language too. What is the model family? There are multiple models that has been released. One is the basic one, OCR21B. Another is a OCR21B B box. Text plus bounding box is also returned. OCR soup, trade-off checkpoint, OCR2 1B base, best model for fine tuning, 1B base, B box base, base with B box support. So you can fine tune for B boxes as well, and that is bounding boxes. By B boxes, what I mean, merge B box model, that is B box soup. Datasets release, if you look, light on OCR mix 0126, 16 million plus high quality annotated document page, 500K plus annotation bounding boxes and lights on OCR B box bench. Performance, it has seen an increase of 0.9%, 3.3 cross faster than Chandra OCR, 2 to 5 times faster than other pipelines too. Surpasses larger models, strong on archive papers and maths and tables. Why beginner friendly? No more complex pipelines are there. Lightweight design, fine tuning support, and flexible outputs are there. What are takeaways? A powerful, practical OCR solution. I think Lights on OCR version 1 was also great, and this time the second version is looking a killer. So do try out the model. It's free to use. 6 variants are there. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.